In section C4, we have two examples to go through. We'll try to do them here in one video. First one's pretty quick. A carpenter plans to install molding around a door. Here are the three pieces of molding. The carpenter cuts the ends of the pieces at 45 degrees. Will the side pieces be parallel? Well, if you added 45 and 45, you know that you would get 90 degrees right there. If you add these 45 and 45s together, you would get 90 degrees right there. And so this side is perpendicular to this side is perpendicular to this side, and a line that's perpendicular to two sides make those two sides parallel. So the answer is yes, they will be parallel. All right, let's take a look at this paragraph proof. In a plane, CB are perpendicular, BD are perpendicular, and DA are perpendicular. Prove that C is perpendicular to A. And there's the drawing. Alrighty, so this is a paragraph proof, so we're going to kind of write it in sentence form. So it is given that C is perpendicular to B, and B is perpendicular to D. Wow, I can't write very well. All right, so I'm starting with those first two. So C is perpendicular to B, and D is perpendicular to B. All right, so that means that C is parallel to D because of what reason? Because two lines perpendicular to the same line are parallel. And I'm using symbols for perpendicular and for parallel. All right, so that's part of it. So let's move on. So I know that this is parallel to this. All right, it's also given that D is perpendicular to A. So D is perpendicular to A. So that means C has to be perpendicular to A. Why? Because a line that is perpendicular, let's try that again, to one of two parallel lines is perpendicular to the other line. So this is perpendicular to C, but C and D are parallel. So since it's perpendicular to both of those, it's got to be parallel. So there's our proof in paragraph form. I really don't like paragraph proofs. I won't make you do too many of them. A couple of them is about all we'll need to worry about.